Hiya folks. Okay, right, so this is 3 minutes with Morag. I think I've worked out how to keep it to 3 minutes. I'll have to kind of like summarise things a little bit more and then maybe follow up with a bit more detailed guide or brochure or something afterwards. So, okay, so today let's start at the beginning. My name's Morag and I run Northwest Numbers Limited, and we specialise in doing bookkeeping and accountancy services for charities, small charities, voluntary organisations, startups and businesses. So, hi, okay. Today I want someone, again, I am getting some questions. So someone has asked, what exactly is the difference between bookkeeping and accountancy? And what kind of qualifications do you need for each? So, basically, on the bookkeeping side, what bookkeeping is, it's more about actually kind of like recording the financial data, getting it in order, and getting it into some kind of system so that you can get understandable data from it. Whereas accountancy is more about producing the data, yes, but once the data is produced, it's more about interpreting, analysing, summarising the financial data and kind of like communicating things that can be inferred from those. So there's that kind of like, that's like the next stage up kind of from bookkeeping. Quite often a bookkeeper is actually kind of like line managed by someone like an accountant. So basically what I was thinking about on kind of like different aspects, what is bookkeeping doing in comparison to accountancy? So like for decision making, bookkeepers don't really get involved in the kind of decision making side of it. That would be more where the accountant is like taking the data and has already kind of then starts analysing it, putting it into the financial statements. Sorry, I've just put that on hold. So so sorry, back to where I was. The accountant helps make the management make decisions by kind of analysing and interpreting the data that the bookkeeper has put into the system. So one of the other sections that I was thinking about was more about objectives of each. So as I said, the bookkeeping is more about, the objective of that is making sure that the data's in there, it's recorded, it's logical, it's correct, possibly doing the control accounts, like bank control accounts, etc., because that's one way to make sure that the information is correct. And with the accountant, it's more about making sure that they're having a look at the financial situation, communicating it back to the management. Accountants are the ones that would prepare your financial statements. Bookkeeping, there's no legal qualification that's required. Some of them do have qualifications, but there's no kind of like legal or required qualification that you need to become a bookkeeper. However, to be an accountant, you need to have a recognised qualification. So that means one of the institutes, a chartered, certified costing management and public funding accountants. So that's a very basic checklist, and even then I've gone over my 4 minutes. I apologise for the interruptions with the telephone calls, but I do hope that this has been a little bit helpful, and I'll get out a more detailed video, brochure, free guide, something that will back up and give you more information on this from this video. Okay, so if for any reason you want to ask me some questions, you need some help, you need some advice, you want to get in touch with me, my email address is accounts@northwestnumbersltd.co.uk. I have my own Facebook, personal Facebook, that's Morag Hunt. I have my business Facebook, which is Northwest Numbers Limited. I'm also on LinkedIn as Morag Hunt. So hopefully you can get in touch with me in quite a few different ways. But I hope this has been helpful, and I hope you will be listening to me, and we can talk soon. Okay, take care. Bye.